In this video, let's talk about how to fix Telegram bot commands not working. Now, in this situation, the first thing that you need to do is verify the slash prefix, which means Telegram bots strictly use and require a leading slash. So make sure you add in the slash before you type in any sort of commands such as start or help. If this is not the case for you, then what you need to do is try to wipe out the storage cache of the application. So simply hop out, head over to settings. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to data and storage, and then head over to storage users, where you'll be able to see the option called clear cache being displayed. Simply tap on this option. Now once you do these two steps and you're still having issues with it, this could be likely happening due to the server-side issue. So bots may be facing the server-side issue. In this situation, you need to wait out at least 10 to 15 minutes. But while you're at it, what you could try out is try to reinstall the application of Telegram onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.